Dongguan Liangyujia Metal Technology Company Limited is a factory specializing in the sales of die-casting metal products. We mainly produce zinc alloy die-casting products, aluminum alloy die-casting products, optical transceiver housing, industrial connector housing, automotive wiring harness connector housing, and other high-precision casting metal parts per client's drawings or samples. Our factory was established in 2016, which is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province.China, covering a building area of approximately 9,000 square meters. With years of experience in die-casting technology, at present there are more than 230 employees, and the core technology and management team total about 50 people. We have advanced machinery equipment, about 100 machines, including 8 high-speed die-casting machines, 14 horizontal die-casting machines, 6 CNC, 16 CNC lathes, 9 spark machines, and 45 other machinery and testing equipment. We provide one-stop die-casting services. Our factory has its own mold processing center, die-casting production workshop, machining center, surface treatment workshop, and quality inspection center. Ensure the quality of the entire process, from mold design and manufacturing to die casting, precision machining, and surface treatment. In terms of certification, we have obtained ISO 14001, IATF 16949, ISO 9001, and various practical patents are obtained for housing of optical mold, including SFP, SFP+, QSFP. We will continue to create more value for our customers with leading strength and sincere service and progress together with clients.
We are a precision casting factory, and among our zinc alloy and aluminum alloy die-casting parts, automotive connector housings, SFP housings, and industrial connector housings have always been our advantage products. We hope to be a reliable business partner in terms of precision metal industry.